Hi everyone, welcome back to my another new video. So actually in this video I will tell you very important thing about learning English. Actually most of English learners think that if I read, write, listen to English music, watch English movie, then enough to learn speaking English. But you are totally wrong dear brothers, because learning English and to speak English totally different thing. If you wanna be a fluent English speaker, then you have to speak out loud. If you only read, write and listen to music and watch English movie, then you only can understand English language, but you can't speak in English. If you watch English movie, then you can understand only, but you can't speak in English. So I will request you, if you wanna be a good English speaker, a fluent English speaker, then you have to speak. You have to communicate with others by conversation. You can speak English with your friends. You have to speak in a public place. You have to conversation with your friends. Then it will be possible for you to speak in English, and it will be possible for you to be a good English speaker. So that's the main thing, dear brother. Don't depend on reading, writing, listening or watching movies. Try this last thing, that is speaking, because speaking is the most important thing to learn English. You know all these things, but you can't speak English. That's not good enough. So I will request you, try to speak out loud in a public place and try to conversation with your friends. Then I hope that you will be a very good English speaker. You will be a fluent English speaker in a short time. So bye for now. Thanks for watching.